Good morning everyone. In previous class, we discussed about the RCC slab culvert and the half sectional plan and half sectional elevation, some parts. Here, the half sectional elevation of the drawing. First, the cement concrete is provided, then the brickwork, then the slab, then wearing coat. After that, the parapet here showing here. This is the front elevation, so you cannot showing details of the parapet section. The details of parapet section is showing in the longitudinal section. The thickness of the cement concrete 30 cm, breadth of the cement concrete 70 cm, and height to the ground level from cement concrete is 30 cm. Then from the ground level to the bottom of the slab is 1.0 meter height. Then the slab is provided of 20 cm thickness. After that, the curve is provided 10 cm thick. Then the details of curve and wearing coat you can define the next diagram. Here in the slab section 20 mm dia bar 30 cm center to center alternative bar are provided, and 20 mm dia bar 15 cm center to center main bar are provided. In this section sectional elevation, we can define the breadth of the slab. Here the main bar is showing because the main bar is lying on breadth wise. Here the attack slope 1:1 ratio. The same slope is opposite side also provided. The air slope contains two sides in a phase 1. Here the slope ratio is 1:1, so it means horizontal is to vertical. 1:1 means horizontal is equal to vertical. Here the vertical distance is 1.3. It means the air slope horizontal distance also 1.3. Here showing the road position. From the ground level to the road level, height is 1.3 meter. Then the road thickness is 20 cm. It contains 10 cm thick curve and 10 cm thick wearing coat. After that, the 16 cm height parapet with coping is provided. Here, coping thickness also 10 cm. And offset of coping is 10 cm. The offset is both sides is provided. Here 10 cm and opposite sides also 10 cm. The total length of parapet is with coping offset is 4.9 meter. After we deduct the offset distance of coping, the parapet wall length is 4.7 meter. 4.9 minus 10 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. Here the total distance is 4.7. The parapet wall length. Okay. And here the longitudinal section of CBE. The first drawing is going through the elevation part. In this point, we discuss about the longitudinal section on CBEF. Here the CBEF section C, B, E, F, CV line cutting the wing wall portion. Here the breadth of the cement concrete. The first code is provided cement concrete. After that, the thickness of cement concrete is 30 centimeter. After that, the wall is provided, brick wall. Here the bed level is showing, and here the ground level symbol is here. From cement concrete to the ground level distance is 30 centimeter. Then the brick wall is provided 1.5 meter. After that, the 60 centimeter thick parapet wall is provided with adding coping. The coping thickness is provided 10 centimeter, and total overall breadth of coping is 40 centimeter. And here 30 centimeter wall parapet wall provided, and below 40 centimeter wall parapet provided. First of all, we know about parapet wall. After the slab, those wall is provided in the culvert section is known as the parapet wall. Okay. Here the parapet wall consists with two braids. One is 40 centimeter, another one is 30 centimeter. Here the curve is provided 10 centimeter thick between the parapet wall, and 10 centimeter bearing foot is provided here, and 4 meter roadway is provided between the parapet of 30 centimeter thickness. Then here showing the distribution bar 10 centimeter dia, 25 centimeter center to center. In longitudinal section, distribution bar showing because the distribution bar lying lengthwise. The longitudinal section, the lengthwise diagram. Then after that, we are going through the problem class. Here the detail of measurement and calculation of quantities. It is the abstract of quantity calculation. In first column showing the item number, second column showing the particulars of item of work, third column showing the number of item, then next column is length. We can consider in mm, centimeter or meter. Then next column is breadth, then height or depth. Next column is quantity. Last column is showing explanatory notes. Okay. Here we explain the details of length, breadth, height. How can we calculate? Okay. First of all, we discuss about earthwork in excavation. First, the earthwork excavation is going to for foundation. In RCC slab culvert, the container is proper abutment and wing work. So, the earthwork excavation is going through by abutment and wing work. So, first of all, we know about wing work. Normally, in RCC slab culvert, 2 numbers of wing work is provided, 2 numbers of abutment is provided, and 4 numbers of wing wall is provided. Here, the number is 2 numbers of abutment and wing wall is 4 numbers. Then length, breadth, height is provided. Here, the abutment section. This one is 1 number. Then another is a side also contain 1 numbers of abutment. From brickwork to brickwork distance is 4.8, and cement concrete to cement concrete distance we can calculate by adding the offset of cement concrete with the brickwork to brickwork distance. Here this offset is 15 centimeter plus the brickwork to brickwork distance is 4.8 centimeter. Then the offset, here the offset is 15 centimeter. तो 15 सेंटीमीटर तो प्लस 480 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 15 सेंटीमीटर. Then total length of abutment is 5.1 meter. Here the length is 5.1. Then going to the breadth part. 0. The breadth is showing here. Abutment breadth is showing here also. Cement concrete to cement concrete distance 70 centimeter. Why I consider cement concrete to cement concrete distance? Because after excavation, cement concrete is provided for the construction. Okay. So the excavation part we can calculate the cement concrete part also. Okay. Thank you. The remaining part we discuss in next class.